Alright guys, we're here at Bass Lake, do some trout fishing, and right now we are looking for a spot. Not sure which spot is gonna give us a fish, but let's try it out on this spot right here. This will be a nice spot to keep back. So this is my favorite power bait, Berkeley power bait, extra scent glitter orange color. So this is the one we're using today. Alright, let's go fishing. Got it? All right. First fish of the day. We just got here like 5 minutes and told you we come in the right spot. Pretty big, he said. It feels heavy. All right. Hey, at least we caught a fish on video. No fish, no video. Alright, you might want to move a little bit over here before they go the other way to your fishing pole. Before they go to the those plants or bush. Yeah. Yeah, go that way. Alright, the fish is coming out right now. Oh. A little bit more over there, boy. It's gonna get. Alright. Okay, reel in. Alright, first fish. Yay! Fight time. Look at this guy. This guy is a fighter. Wow, that's pretty nice trout and it's all dirty. Alright. Mind us how we hold the fish today because we are planning to keep the fish. So yeah. Alright, go in the cooler. Yeah. Alright, so that's the first fish going to the cooler. So this is the water level right now. It's pretty high now. Waiting for the fish to bite. Don't fly. You a butterfly, you're supposed to fly. Oh, fly, butterfly, fly. Uh-oh, it's in a pinking fishing rod. The butterfly's at ouch. Bug. Stupid fly. Keep getting on my hand. Action number 2. Yay! Fish number 2.
Oh no!
No, got away.
There.
Huh?
There.
No? Got away?
Get away.
Oh crap.
That's my fault. I should have given it.
Huh?
My fault.
Oh well, got away, so we have to go get another one. Trout's not biting here no more, so we are moving to a different location. and we'll see you guys there. Bye. Alright, so this is the sucking spot. So we're going fishing down here. It's pretty windy right now. We caught one fish earlier over there and another bite, and that's about it. So we're going to try it down there, see how it is. Alright, let's go. Ants. Oh my god, look at this ants. It's just so many ants crawling on this tree. Wow, that's a lot of ants.